morning. It's 5:20 and I made it to my first point. The black flies are really bad, but otherwise it's awesome. We were able to walk up one of the trails to almost all of our starting points, so it was a pretty easy morning so far. I had to replace a pole for one of our temperature loggers, so I had to carry that up through the hobble with me, which was kind of annoying. But I made it. I have a couple extra minutes to sit and drink my coffee, and it looks like we have a little bit of a breeze, so hopefully this morning shouldn't be too hot. It's supposed to get up. Look at this guy. It's like a mini rhinoceros beetle. I don't actually know what it is, but it's really cool. There's so many flies. This happened at the end of last summer too. The flies all hatched and they just sort of hang out in the forest and watch you. They don't really do anything. But, yeah. They're kind of pretty too. They have orange wings. I don't know what species they are, but there's a lot of them. So it's 8:28. I just finished my last count. So I'm going to head down to the road. I'm pretty close to it, so that's nice, but I have a bit of a walk back to the car. It's insanely hot. It's probably in the upper 20s, maybe lower 30s already, and there's not a whole lot of breeze. It's also really humid, so I'm sweating buckets. But if everything goes well, we will be done tomorrow. So I'm really excited. We're going to move on to some other projects that are a little bit less exciting in my opinion, but we can get up at like 8 a.m. instead of 3 a.m. so it doesn't really matter as long as we don't have to get up as early. Also, check out these mushrooms I found. I have no idea what they are because I can't identify mushrooms to save my life, but they're pretty cool. There's a lot of fruit flies on them, which is kind of gross, but yeah, nice and big. There have been a lot of mushrooms in the forest since it rained a bunch, and since it's so humid, so they're cool to see.